Unlock the secrets to transforming your photos from flat to phenomenal using Lightroom's most powerful tool, the Tone Curve. Found within the Develop module, the Tone Curve is your ultimate control center for light and contrast. First, ensure you're in the point curve mode for maximum precision. You can switch between region and point curve here. The diagonal line represents your image's tonal range. The bottom left is pure black. The top right is pure white. Everything in between is your image's grays, darks, and lights. To adjust shadows, click and drag the lower left portion of the line. Pulling it down deepens shadows, adding mood and intensity. Pulling it up will lift them, revealing more detail. For midtones, find the middle section of the curve. Dragging it up brightens the overall image without blowing out highlights, while dragging it down darkens it, creating a more dramatic feel. Now for highlights, grab the upper right section of the curve. Dragging it up will brighten your highlights, making them pop. Dragging it down will tame them, recovering any overexposed areas. Experiment by adding multiple points to create an S-curve. This common technique instantly adds contrast by darkening shadows and brightening highlights, making your image more vibrant. The Tone Curve is a game-changer for advanced editing, offering unparalleled control over the mood and impact of your photographs. Keep practicing, and you'll master its incredible power.